If you're on a journey to monitor and improve your health and fitness, a smart scale can be a game changer. These intelligent devices not only provide you with accurate weight measurements, but also offer a range of additional insights, making it easier to track your progress. The P2 Pro is a mid-range option from Eufy, but it packs in a lot for its price. The scale itself is sleek and attractive, and can sync to the app using either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's quick to set up and easy to use. It measures 16 metrics, although only weight, body fat percentage, and heart rate will be shown on the scale's white LED display. The rest of the measurements are only available via the app. Other in-app features include daily calorie logging and a useful database of common food items. The scale comes with a tape measure. That seems a bit basic, but input your key measurements and the app will display a 3D model of your body. User numbers are unlimited, and you can even set up accounts to weigh babies and pets. The only trouble with multiple users is that similar weights can be sent to the wrong account, which can be frustrating. Still, this is a common issue with Wi-Fi scales. We prefer USB charging option, but this is something that even pricier scales can lack. Our list of the best smart scales is now complete. If you thought this video was helpful, click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Please express your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you in any way, so that you won't miss any future videos. Whoever had arrived at this point, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.